So we are given for B, we have been given the initial velocity that is started from 0, and the B2 moved to 60 miles per hour in 0,600 seconds. So our question was, what was the acceleration there? So basically what we must do, we must know our equation, which is the equation of motion. Vf is equals to Vi plus At. Vf is equals to Vi plus At. We make A subject of this formula. By pushing Vi to the left hand side, it becomes Vf minus Vi. Then we divide again by T both sides, then it becomes Vf minus Vi over T. So we must convert. We are given that 1 mile per hour is equal to 0,4470 meters per second. So 60 miles per hour is how many seconds? So we are going to multiply by 0,4470 meters per second for every 1 mile per hour. So the units, they must cancel. Denominator, they cancel. Then we are left with 60 multiplied by 0,4470 meters per second. Then our final velocity, which we are going to put here, there, and also there, is going to be 26,82 meters per second. We divide it by 0,6, what are you going to get? 44.7 meters per second square. Okay guys, thank you.